Dubrovnik's fortified city walls are truly remarkable and one of the things you have to see when you come here. Today we're going to walk their entire length on a guided tour and then experience the old town too.
I invite you to come to visit Dubrovnik. There is so much history. You can visit city walls, see old town from all other perspectives.
Built in 1537, Pile Gate is known as the main entrance to the old town and used to be locked nightly. There's so many cute little shops and restaurants around here, and I love that it's like this little labyrinth of narrow streets and alleyways. Onofrio's fountain has been the source of Old Town's drinking water for centuries, and it's actually the end of a 7.5-mile aqueduct. At the end of the Stradun is the Sponza Palace, which today is the home of the State Archives. The Franciscan Monastery is a huge complex consisting of a monastery, a church, a library, and a pharmacy.
So, this is the Church of St. Blaise.
Our guide is fantastic. She's full of all this historical knowledge and funny anecdotes, and she actually grew up within these walls. As you walk along the edge of the wall, it's fun to be able to get a little taste of how the locals live.
Very enjoyable. You see the city from many different perspectives that you wouldn't see otherwise. You're very high up and you get to see it from all four sides. That alone is worthwhile, and if you're a photographer like I am, it's amazing. You get so many great shots out of this.
Exploring the city walls and Old Town of Dubrovnik was an amazing walk through the city's history. It's incredible to think they've been standing here for centuries and remain today for us to enjoy.